Dropbox hacks nobody tells you about. So in here, the very first thing that I'm going to tell you guys about is the deleted files. So in case if you have accidentally deleted any of files that you shouldn't have, then what you can do is you can actually recover it. All you need to do is get into this deleted file section right here on the left side, and then from here what you can do is simply recover it. Here you can see these was the recently deleted files. What I can do is select this file, and what I'm going to do is click on restore, and just like this I can now click on restore all files, and just like this I will be able to restore this particular deleted file, right? So another thing would be actually rewinding your file. So let's just go on all files right now, and let's just say I have edited a file and now I want to rewind that file because I didn't actually had to edit it, right? So for that what I can do is simply hover your mouse around this particular file just like this, then click on this three dot bar right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see more option. What are we going to do is click on a version history right here. So after clicking on version history, here now we'll be able to see exactly what this file used to look like before I started editing it, right? So you can actually rewind this file if you want to. Here you'll be able to see all of the document changes right here. And like I said, if you want to rewind it, what are we going to do is let's just go back, and in here we'll get into that same process again. Hover your mouse around the exact file that you want to rewind, just like this. And then from here, again, what you're going to do is click on this three dot bar, right? So after doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see again more. You'll be able to see file activity. Click on that one. And if you want to rewind all of the activities or changes that you have done in that particular document, then you will be able to see the option of rewind around here, right? Here you can see, you'll be able to see all of the details. In here, click on a filter right here. And in here, since I have not made any changes on this document, there is no rewind. There you'll be able to see a time like icon. Simply click on that and rewind your file. Let's just do it with other file. Click on here, then click on more, click on a folder activity. And then from here, what we're going to do is you can see the timer like icon that is rewind. Simply click on it, and and just like this you'll be able to rewind this particular file. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys.